In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display exponents and large numbers in Microsoft Excel. Excel is a powerful tool for handling a variety of data types, and when it comes to dealing with very large numbers, it usually has a handy feature that converts these numbers into scientific notation automatically. This is especially useful when you're trying to manage data that exceeds the visible width of a typical cell. However, there might be instances where you notice this feature isn't working as expected in your version of Excel, or perhaps it has been disabled in a specific worksheet. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process of enabling and controlling this feature manually. Let's dive right in. The first step you need to take is to select a cell and type in a long number. You might notice that Excel conveniently displays the number using exponents, simplifying your view and making the data more manageable. This automatic conversion happens because the number you've entered exceeds what the cell can normally display within its default width. But if for some reason Excel isn't performing this conversion, you can easily handle it. Go ahead and try expanding the column width by clicking and dragging the boundary on the right side of the column header. When you double-click the cell afterward, you'll notice that the full number is now displayed much more clearly. This is a quick way to view the entire number without cutting off any significant digits. Now, if you want to control exactly how exponents are displayed, you'll need to format the cell specifically for scientific notation. To do this, right-click the cell you're working with and select Format Cells from the drop-down menu. A window will pop up, showing you a variety of options. What you're looking for here is the scientific format. Once you select it, you'll see another option that allows you to choose how many decimal places you want to show. This can be particularly handy if you're preparing data for a presentation or report and need a certain level of precision. After selecting the desired number of decimal places, click OK. Excel will then reformat your number in scientific notation according to the settings you've chosen, giving you a neat and precise view of your data. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to display exponents and large numbers in Microsoft Excel effectively. This little skill can make a big difference when you're working with large datasets or numbers that extend beyond typical values. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful Excel tips and other tutorials.